My name is Rita Denton, and I serve as the Executive Director of Student Nutrition for Mansfield ISD. Started off in the hotel industry, food and beverage, and a little bit after that found the world of child nutrition.
I'm Jenny Parham. I'm the Assistant Director of Operations. I've always loved food service, and so I just kind of stumbled upon child nutrition, but I've been in it for 17 years now and absolutely love it.
This project has certainly been on the docket for a while. The serving lines here at Legacy High School were becoming obsolete, certainly outdated. The look, the feel, the functionality, all of that needed some tender, loving care.
They felt very boxed in, our old serving lines. And so the goal of this project was to really give our staff a lot of flexibility with what they can do with the serving lines and make it functional.
The end product is much elevated from where our old serving lines were. We know the kids are going to be really excited.
The process of designing it was very smooth. We have been out in the kitchens for the last several years and really got to put together our best practices of what we have found to be the best characteristics of the different serving lines throughout the schools. So we presented a list of those items to Chris, and he basically checkboxed every single item that we wanted, and here they are.
We were able to explain our current challenges with the serving lines, and from that was a nice launch pad to where do we want to be. And so flexibility was certainly used a lot within those initial conversations. Communication has been so imperative. Chrane does go the extra mile to provide frequent updates because our job doesn't stop when a project like this is underway. We are continuing to have personnel issues. We are hiring. We are working out in the kitchens to fill gaps. We are working in all other areas of the department. It was such a crucial thing that they were able to provide those frequent updates to us, including pictures, including verbiage, including Gantt charts. All of that helped us feel at ease when the project was taking place.
The biggest thing with our kids is customization. And so these serving lines will definitely give us that flexibility to where we can add more topping options or condiments or something like that so that every kid can create their own plate to be customized to their preference.
There's functionality for smoothies and slushies to be on every single serving line, and that's important to us. Kids are able to get everything in one stop versus having to jump from line to line. I want them to feel energetic when they walk in. I want that energy to be from when they're waiting in line and then their whole experience walking down the line, choosing our delicious foods, experiencing that customer service at the point of sale, and then walking away from here feeling really good and really confident, being able to tackle the rest of their school day. The kitchen staff and the maintenance staff, it's so important that they love the lines, that they love caring for the lines, and that the maintenance technicians are able to come in and upkeep them, perform preventative maintenance without having to take out a ladder and stand on their head. It should be easy for them. It should be something that is not a big chore. It's going to make the lines truly last longer when both the kitchen staff and the maintenance technicians love the lines and love the space.
We want to introduce our new serving lines and let that be a really exciting point for our kiddos, and then continuously give training opportunities to our staff for advancement.
We are always on the chase to increase our participation. We love serving the boys and girls of Mansfield ISD. We know it is such a convenience for parents to not have to pack a lunch, to be able to send their child to school and know that they are going to have delicious, healthy foods. I also want to cater to more adults as well. With the whole Google mentality of adults are going to want to come to work if they have great selections of something to buy. And I know that we can produce the types of foods that they want, and that will keep them energized through the school day as well. I think it's something that sets Mansfield ISD apart from other school districts. We truly are a great place to live, learn, and teach and eat.
What motivates me? My staff. They truly inspire me. They are the kindest, biggest hearts I've ever met, and they do it for the kids and I do it for them.
So just like Jenny, my staff, they do it for the kids. We really do come in here to support them, to motivate them, advocate for them. My staff is the best in the whole world. Certainly know the regulations because you can become very creative within our boundaries. We do have some really stringent regulations and potentially even stricter ones coming down the pike. My advice is to not get stressed over them, learn them, and then see what you can do within the bounds of those.
We certainly build with each other's different ideas and different experiences that we've had from other districts that we've been able to collaborate and bring together to make this district the best.